Back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo Juice Bar channel, guys. It's amazing to be in the kitchen giving you a favorite recipe. I want to take the time to say Happy Mother's Day to every mothers. One love from Chef Ricardo and the team. And you know what, guys? If you can't find a juice, you know where to go. Right straight on this Chef Ricardo Juice Bar channel. So please get your recipe. You know what I mean? Make your daughter, your son, make you something lovely and nice. And you know what I mean? Hopefully you'll just love it and enjoy it. So guys, I want to say one more time, don't forget, this Sunday coming, it is Mother's Day. I know every country is different, but England is going to be Mother's Day and it's going to be amazing. And I know, you know, guys gonna cook up a whole heap of different kind of dish because mommy come first. We have to look after mommy and make mommy happy. Anyway, happy Mother's Day. One love from Chef Ricardo and the team. Please stay tuned, don't go nowhere. We have a lot more recipes, a lot more ideas, a lot more things will be coming. Alright guys, so you know, don't forget, follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. We got a lot more recipes, a lot more ideas, and a lot more things will be coming. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo YouTube channel. This is the Juice Bar channel, guys. Happy Mother's Day again from Chef Ricardo, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.